Yeah, that thumbnail is accurate. Yep. That title, it ain't no clickbait. And you unhealthy because you broke. Let's get into it. Most of you don't know. Some of you do, most don't. I'm a health and wellness coach. I consult people on their health and their wellness, helping them to, mold themselves into their most healthiest version, right? I was a full-time personal trainer for 5 years. Still do some training here and there in person, but I mainly shifted my business to online. And I'm also a licensed massage therapist. So I deal with dozens of people per day. Dozens per day. And over my tenure of my professionalism as being a consultant, dealt with thousands of people at this point. The common consensus is everyone, for the most part, loves negativity. I do experiments, right? I just ask people randomly, how you doing? How you doing? What's going on today? How was your weekend? Oh, it's just another day. Or, it's Monday, right? And, well, could have been better. I've had better days. And all of this negative talk, right? When I'm going to the store, when I'm going to the grocery store, getting things for my nutrients, right? And I go up to the grocery clerk and they see what I have in my cart, right? Man, you got all organic. Oh, you got the coconut water. You got that expensive coconut water. I always wanted to try it, but it's just so expensive. And all of this self-doubting dialogue. This is one of the main reasons why you can't get your health in order, is because you have a broke mentality. I am one of the most optimistic person that I know. Like, when I frequent the spa and I frequent different conversations and I dial in, it's like people love misery. Even with some of my clients, we're working on that. We're working on the mentality that it takes. I'm going to tell you something. When it comes to my health, I'm not bargaining. When it comes down to me getting that organic batch of blueberries versus the regular one, I'm getting the organic all day. You want to know why? Because I understand that my body is worth millions, billions. It's priceless at this point. Because if I do not have the health and the wellness and the spiritual astuteness, none of this stuff matters. You sitting up here bargaining on your fuel and you wonder why you having all of these health complications. Because you have a broke mentality. I don't care if I got $0 in my bank account. You ain't gonna know it. I ain't gonna look like it. I ain't gonna speak it. You wanna know why? Because I'm wealthy. Come on, man. Every single thing starts right here. Everything starts from that fourth dimension. So if you cannot tap into that fourth, if you cannot see a better version of yourself, I hate to break it to you, you are going to be stuck. But see, the harsh reality is most people want to be stuck. But it's my purpose to help the people who want to change. to ignite that little spark inside of you. You know who you are. You looking at this video right now. Damn, she's speaking facts. And this is true. Take me a sip of my protein coffee, man. I just got out the gym, had a mean workout. On one right now. You know that person, every time you ask them something, they always going through something. They ain't never got nothing good going on in their life. It's like, yeah, no wonder why you always going through it. Because of your mentality. You are attracting the lack. You are attracting the negativity. You are attracting these undesirable situations in your life. Because your energetic field is so dim. Brighten up. Brighten up. Cheer up. Get yourself in the gym. Get yourself in that yoga studio. Get yourself outside. In the sun, in the elements. Cheer yourself up. Pour into yourself. Take yourself out to go get a massage. Go to the grocery store and get nothing but organic, living things. See how you feel. You sitting up here bargaining on the cheap groceries. But if you look up, you're going to be 45, 50, still young, dealing with all of these health complications. Because you wanted to take the cheap route. See, you doing all this, but then you come to me and you ask me, Jazz, what can I do to lose belly fat? What can I do to lose the weight on my arms? Newsflash, you're not going to lose weight like that. You can't spot reduce fat. You have to lose weight and fat all over your body. And what does that take? It takes self-discipline and consistency every single day. My formula for success, self-discipline plus consistency equals results every single day. So if you cannot embody that, you might as well stay in the same situation that you're in. See, I'm here to ignite that spark inside of you. You know who you are. You want to change. You are tired of dealing with this year after year after year after year, and you want to make a change right now. This video is for you. You tired of making excuses. You tired of walking up a flight of stairs and you out of breath. You want to know why? Because you took the cheap route. See, when it comes to your body, you can't take the cheap route. When it comes to your health, you can't take the cheap route. And then you're going to be up here trying to take on all these medications, really messing yourself up. You look up 15, 20 years from now when you got to get a heart transplant. When you got to go to the top specialist that deals with the diabetes. You are not about to be scrolling trying to find the cheapest practitioner. You are not going to do that. When it comes to my health, I am not bargaining. You are continuously going down this cycle because you have a broke man's mentality. Shift that. Your body, your mind, your health, your strength, and your sanity is your greatest asset. Pour inside of you. And you will start to exude through. You know how many compliments I get per day? I literally just be in regular stuff, regular t-shirts. I get compliments every single day. And I'm not saying this to brag or nothing. Like, it just is what it is. When you look at me, you can tell, oh, damn, she take care of herself. Yeah, I do. And when I walk inside of a room, I demand respect. I garner respect. You want to know why? Because I put in the freaking work every day. Every day. I'm grinding. I am doing the things that people are not doing. You have the power to change that. Change your mentality. You do not bargain on your health. You have the power to change the trajectory of your health and your vitality. And you can inspire your family and you can inspire your people along the way. Listen, if you need someone to hold you accountable, no cookie cutter. I am not about to sit here and coddle you. I'm not doing that. I am holding you accountable. You want to know why? Because I'm in the trenches with you. You need someone to help guide you along the way. Tap the link below. It's in the description and it is also pinned in the top comment. Listen, I have a bunch of different resources that you can tap into to help aid you along your journey. There are no excuses. Spitting that fire. Phone overheated. But yeah, there are no excuses. My ears are deaf to the excuses. I am here to hold you accountable. I am also here to give you actionable steps. Okay, we're not just talking about talking motivation. I literally have programs that you can follow, taking all of the guesswork out of this. Every single thing you need. I have meal plans. I have 6-week programs. I have memberships. I have accountability groups. We have everything that you need in order for you to start taking control of your health right here. So if you found value in this post, leave a like down below and comment down below. Leave a comment how you're going to start taking control of your health and how you're going to start changing your mindset to a more fruitful, a more thriving, abundant mindset. Drop it in the comments. Let's have a conversation. All right? And you already know what to do. Subscribe to the channel, baby. We growing. We growing, baby. Tap in, man. We're going to keep on going, man. I'm spitting flames for y'all, man. Giving y'all this value. All right? Change your mindset from broke to abundant. And I'm gone.